Hey guys, welcome to day 30, Vlogtober day 30. Yes guys, so we are here already and tomorrow is the final day. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos guys. So in today's video I want to make this crunchy, delicious and moist sausage roll, and I decided to show you guys. Okay, so in a bowl I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of margarine or butter, whichever one you are using. Okay, so yeah, this is my flour. I'm just going to add all of this, and yeah, just watch me add of all of that. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to add your margarine and use your hands to create a crumb, like breadcrumb kind. You know, when you mix your margarine with your flour, you know that texture that it gives to you. Okay, so let's get mixing and get that done with guys. Okay, so in this mix I'll be needing 1/2 cup of cold water. You want to use a very cold water because cold water does its magic when it comes to your dough. Okay, when it comes to the dough you want to use for pies, it does a lot of good work there. So you need a very cold water, and I'm just adding that gradually to incorporate in my flour mix. And yeah, I'm going to be passing this to my table. Knead it a bit. You don't want to over knead, so you don't come up with a very hard dough. Okay, so you don't want to over mix. I mix this for just few minutes just to get all of the water mixture in there. And the next thing I did is to tie this up in a plastic bag. You can use cling film, you can use whatever plastic bag you have. See, I'm not kneading very well, I'm just incorporating. I'm not like kneading with all of my strength, so that's what you want. So I'm going to tie this up, put it in the refrigerator or in the freezer. Okay, in my case I put it in the freezer because my freezer is cooler. So while that is cooling off, I brought out my sausages from the stove because I boiled it a bit earlier, just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, not much. So now I'm just trying to dry up all of the liquid around it because I don't need that. Okay, I don't need it to soak my dough. So I'm just going to do that, break 1 egg, put in the bowl, which I'll be using to seal up and to egg wash my dough when I'm done rolling in and all of that. So guys, just watch and see how all of that is done. Okay, so now I have my pan here. So I'm going to be lining this pan, but before then I added vegetable oil on the base, and I'm going to line it and also brush with vegetable oil, this to prevent it from burning my snack. And yeah, let's continue guys. So yeah, you don't need much flour for this, but I'm going to flour my board. And yeah, I brought my dough out from the fridge. You can see how it's looking. So I'm just going to roll this out. I'm going to just like mix up a little. Like I said, you don't need to over mix this. Okay, so I'm just going to combine a little, and yeah, I'm going to cut this into smaller bits so I can rolling. Okay, so this is not the sausage roll that I blended. I'm going to be using it all, so I'm just going to roll and add my sausages and roll in. Then I'll add egg wash in the edges, yeah, to seal it up. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Just enjoy the video, guys. So now that I'm done with all the rolling, my oven is already preheated at this point, so I'm just poking some holes in the pie just to give it a signature look, and I went ahead to use my egg wash on it, and yeah, it's oven ready at the moment. So I'm going to bake this for say 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now yeah, this is what the pie looks like. You can see how delicious and crunchy this looks like. It's so good, guys. You need to try this. Okay, it's so simple, it's good. You can take this with tea, with any drink of your choice, because this is so savory. It is not sweetened, like there's no sweetness in it. It's just so good. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you'll be trying this delicious recipe. As you can see, it's so simple. It's simple, guys. This is what you want to try. See how fine it came out. So yeah, this is everything, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to open one of it so you can see and enjoy. See, guys, see, it's so well cooked. It's nice, the crunch, the moist, everything is so good. So guys, give it a try, and I'm just going to take a bite and show you guys. So yeah, it's good, it's good. I actually had mine with tea, and yeah, of course I sold the rest of it. See how beautiful this is. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying, and please do well to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Please share my videos, guys. Share it. Okay, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the Vlogtober love. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always. Do have a blessed day. Bye.
OG to my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise.